Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Saturday, May 27th, 2023. And what I've got here is one of two Hunter Studio series, both from 1990. I acquired them today in Boxford, I should say, from this beautiful house. They were installed, and the owner just preferred chandeliers, so they had removed these, and I'm glad I was able to acquire them instead of the untimely death in dumpsters that most ceiling fans seem to face these days. So, yeah, without further ado, let's take them for a test spin. You'll have to pardon I have my high breeze up installed up there in the peak of the roof, so it's blowing the blades. Alright, so that was fast. Put it on a medium. Alright, and low. Yeah, I'm not going to bother with a spin down because it won't spin down. I have my Crompton Greaves high breeze going on up there at the peak of the roof, so that'll keep the fan perpetually spinning. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please stay tuned for more fan videos. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave, and good night and good luck.